This is a DVD stroke CD drive complete strip down. The model number is DL-08HJ-00-060. Now I've taken the top off, as you can see, and I'm going to strip it down completely, right down to the bare bones. Now these screws are fairly straightforward, nothing special about these. And as soon as you move the 4 screws, you can take the whole mechanism out. Now this part holds the laser in place. That was fixed to the stepper motor, which is on the top right. This is the laser. And now I'm going to take out the motor. So I'll give you all the basic details. So if you have something the same or similar, then hopefully you'll be able to reconstruct yours from the information that you're getting here. Now there's quite a few motors in here. Now it's quite a few years old. I think I took it out of a TV many years ago. I don't think they make these much anymore, purely because I think most people have streaming as opposed to using DVDs. Now, of course, you can always look up on YouTube to see more details. I'm not going to put this one back together. Don't really think it's worth it, but at least you'll be able to see how it was taken apart, and you can play it back, see how you can put it back together. Now it's quite a complicated little unit. I will be giving, there are certain details I will give you at the end of this video. Just basics of what you expect to see inside a DVD CD player. Now this is the laser. There are lots of little fiddly screws around. I'm trying to make it so you can see what I'm doing. There are a couple of mirrors here that reflect the laser. And that's it. And those are all the bits. Thank you for watching. And if you got value from this video, then please share, like and subscribe. And if you want to see more of my DIY videos, then please go onto my channel.